We need to determine the value of 3 raised to the power of 2 minus log of 4 with a base of 3. So let's begin. So here we can break down this as 3 squared times 3 raised to the power of negative log of 4 with a base of 3. We have used the law of indices. That means if we have e raised to the power of b minus e, so that can be also written as e raised to the power of b multiplied to e raised to the power of negative c. Right. Now, if we have negative log of 4 with a base of 3, this can be the negative in front of log, which is actually negative 1. So this can be raised as the power of 4 by using a property a times log b. So that's equivalent to log of b raised to the power of a. So that means we have, so 3 squared will become 9. So we have 3 log 4 raised to the power of negative 1 with a base of 3. So here log of 4 raised to the power of negative 1. So that can be also expressed as 1 over 4 with a base of 3. Now we will use another property of logarithm, which is if we have a raised to the power of log b with a base of a. So that means if the base of the logarithm and the base of the exponent both are equal, then this is equals to b. So that means in our case we have the base of the exponent as 3 and the base of the logarithm as 3, so they are same. So we can rewrite this entire expression as equivalent to 1 over 4. So that means the value was going to be 9 over